Number 5. The Power Vision. Power Ray Wizard is an innovative underwater drone designed to redefine exploration beneath the surface, offering users an immersive and interactive experience, whether for professional use or recreational adventure. This RC submarine stands out with its sleek hydrodynamic design. Number 4. The Silverlit Spy. Cam Aqua Submarine is a captivating radio-controlled underwater craft designed to bring the mystery of the deep right to your fingertips. And it makes a wonderful subject for a 6-minute video full of intrigue and aquatic adventure. This sleek little submarine features a built-in waterproof camera that lets you film your underwater journeys directly, sending live video footage back to your control unit so you can see beneath the waves as you pilfer through reefs, inspect submerged objects, or simply explore unknown nooks. Its compact and agile body gives it excellent maneuverability in small pools, ponds, or shallow coastal areas, allowing smooth turns, dives, and ascents with intuitive controls. The AquaSub's camera captures both video and still images, giving you flexibility in what you record and present in your video narrative. A sealed battery system ensures safety even when submerged, and its power allows for several minutes of exploration before needing a recharge. Number 3. The Komoro T1 underwater drone is a high-performance remotely operated submarine that makes for an enchanting subject in a 6-minute video, as it merges serious depth capability with cinematic imaging and versatile utility. This submarine is engineered to dive to impressive depths, reportedly up to 150 meters, thanks to its anti-corrosion materials and robust waterproof design, giving you access to deep underwater scenes most recreational craft can't reach. At its heart lies a 4K UHD camera integrated with a wide-angle lens and color correction filters, which enables stunning, crisp footage even in dim or murky waters. Number 2. The Thor Robotics ROV underwater drone presents itself as a powerful and versatile vehicle of the deep, making it an ideal centerpiece for a 6-minute video journey under the waves. Its rugged frame is built to withstand pressure and corrosion, giving it the durability to explore marine environments with confidence. Propelled by a multi-thruster system, it maneuvers fluidly in all directions: forward, reverse, vertical climbs and descents, lateral shifts and rotational yaw, offering cinematic agility to capture compelling underwater sequences. Fitted with a high-definition camera and adjustable lighting arrays, it delivers vivid, sharp imagery even in low-light conditions, enabling your audience to witness deep-water textures, marine life, and submerged structures in detail. Real-time video feeds stream back to your control console or mobile device. Number 1. The Gladius Mini S submarine drone is a remarkably compact yet powerful underwater explorer that makes for a compelling subject in a 6-minute video, as it blends high-end features with portability to reveal hidden aquatic worlds. Encased in a lightweight aluminum alloy shell, it is engineered to dive as deep as 100 meters while maintaining excellent stability and control. Its integrated 4K UHD camera, stabilized through electronic image stabilization, EIS, captures smooth, clear video and 12-megapixel stills even in dynamic underwater environments. Twin powerful LED lights illuminate dark depths, bringing marine life, textures, and underwater structures into vivid view. The drone is driven by a multi-thruster design, which enables agile movement in all directions: forward, backward, vertical rises and descents, strafing and yaw, allowing you to stage cinematic underwater shots with finesse.